When you pull up to your house and you see that your roof is in perfect condition, doesn't mean it necessarily is, right? Your driveway is a much different view than on top of the roof. If your roof is 12 years or older, it's time to be inspected. Everything starts happening at that age 12 and on. When Mighty Dog comes out to do a full inspection, even if you don't have a leak, we're gonna check some major components that go on. One are all the roof penetrations, right? All the vents, the pipes, everything that comes out of the roof, we're gonna make sure that everything's sealed below. That is always one of the early failure points. We're also going to check all the valleys, where all the water comes in together, and that's another one that has major problems, so we'll check the valleys. The most common ones are the roof-to-wall connections. Anywhere where the roof is coming together into one of the vertical walls, that's another pain point that can cause problems. You might have 1 year left on the roof, you might have 10 years left on the roof, but at least get somebody out there to inspect it once a year after that age 12. At Mighty Dog Roofing, we always offer free inspections. So if your home is 12 years and older, you should really start getting those inspections done annually, and we're happy to do it for you.